Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a simple but super useful skill, how to make your header smaller in Wix Studio. If you're designing a website and you want that header to take up less space or to add your own custom look, this video is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to adjust your Wix headers for a cleaner, more personalized site design. Let's dive right in. So here we are in Wix Studio. Now, if you're just starting out with Wix, some features are pretty obvious, but sometimes those simple things can be easy to overlook, especially when you're focused on bigger design goals. So first, let's talk about resizing your existing header. All you need to do is click directly on the header itself. You can't miss it. It's usually that large section at the top of your page with your site's name or menu. Once you've selected it, just move your mouse to the edge of the header until you see the little resize arrow. Click, hold, and drag the header up or down. You'll notice the section becomes taller or shorter as you move it. Just stop when you're happy with the new size. This is perfect if your header is crowding out the rest of your content, or maybe you want your visitors to get to your main message faster. Adjusting the height is such a quick fix, but it makes a big difference in the overall feel of your site. Remember, don't worry if it looks a bit strange at first, you can always tweak it again. Take a moment to preview your page and just see how everything fits together before moving on. But let's say you have bigger ideas, and instead of just making the default header smaller, you want to use a custom header. Wix makes that really easy too. The first step here is to delete your existing header. Just click to select the header, look for the little trash bin or delete option and confirm you want to remove it. Don't be nervous, this won't affect the rest of your sections, just the header area. Think of it like clearing off a shelf so you can add something that fits your style better. Now to add your own custom header, go to the Add Element button, usually found on the side or top bar of Wix Studio. Click on it and then navigate to Section, where you'll find the Headers option. This is where Wix really shines. You'll see a range of header designs from simple layouts to more dynamic styles. Pick the one that catches your eye. Once you click to add it, the new header will appear on your page, usually somewhere in the layout flow. You might need to drag it up to the very top if it doesn't land there automatically. Just click, hold, and move it up so it sits right where you want your main header to be. And that's pretty much it. Now you're working with a header that can be resized, customized, and styled however you like. You can add your branding, adjust padding, or swap in new colors and fonts. Give it a little personal touch so your website feels unique. If any of these steps give you pause or if things do look quite right, don't stress, just take your time and experiment. Wix is designed to let you undo changes easily so you're safe to explore. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or if there are other Wix Studio tips you'd like to see. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.